My name is Fumi Hirai, and my company is called FMI, Professional Locksmith. You know, when people think about locksmith, they think about a guy that's able to pick a lock or get you back into your vehicle. But that's just a very small part of our business. Really, our business is to allow you to feel safe in your home. Yeah, come on in. One of you guys can come on in if you want. Oh yeah, I could give you a crash course. Being a school teacher, I get into that teaching mode sometimes. I realized that I needed a change. My wife was suggesting that I do something else, so I looked into it. I spoke with the fellow locksmith, and he says, you know, the only way you're going to really know for sure this is really what you want to do is that you ride with me. So I quit my last sales job, and I just watched him work. So these are the standard 2 key machines that a locksmith van would have. One is just a standard duplicating machine. And that's basically what this machine does. The key thing with the app, the Helcim app is right there. So I just go in, process the whole thing. After I process all this, and I get the approval code to give it to the customer, they feel good about the fact that they got approved and they actually got a number, and and then you roll with it.
This has been another episode of Merchants of Helcim. Thank you to Fumi. Thank you to everyone for watching, and we'll see you next time.